Here I have Huawei P9 Lite 2017, and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose here power off and touch power off again just to switch off the device. Then when your phone is completely turned off, let's prepare some eject tool or simply the paper pin. Simply open this slot by using the following hole and let's just press it. That's it. Now you can remove the whole slot from your device, and here you can insert the Nano SIM card. Let me start with that one. Nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here, and that's it. And you can also insert here the second Nano SIM card if you would like to. The second slot is for the Nano SIM card in that position, or you can also use it for your micro SD card. So let me use it for my micro SD card. Now let's put the whole thing into the device and press it to the end. Alright, all you need to do right now is simply press power key to switch on the device. And now you can check out if both cards are working properly. So let's unlock the screen. Use the settings icon, and here you can choose the wireless and networks, tap dual SIM settings. The phone is reading one SIM card. You can also go back, and here you can choose storage. Here you've got information about your SD card. So everything went well, both cards are working properly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.